Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob. It is hot. It is super hot out. Haven't really had much time to do any sort of video this summer because of the heat and summer activities with the family. So I have been collecting tools over the summer though, here and there, and so I figured I'd make a video and show you a tool haul. So sit back, relax, and check out some of these tools I've picked up this summer. So we found this plumb bob. There's no name on it. Comes on a string. We get this pair of Pexto pliers, flip joint, Utica tools, a little pair of Lyman's 1950 number 6. This, not sure on that name. Maybe it says Williams Super. I know I've got a few that say Armstrong on them. Little flat blade. A fuse puller. Ideal. Here is a Prince Reed Craftsman Phillips, or Prince Reed. Got a Calvan Tools Torque set with a little lanyard. Stanley Handyman. Couple of smalls. Here's Master Mechanic, flat blade, Pennzoil collector, a no-name little pocket pen. K. Miller wire strippers. Another plumb bob. This is a combination of over the summer, obviously. Another Master Mechanic Tiny Phillips. Omega pocket level. Here is a mini proto screwdriver. Another advertising screwdriver. This is pretty cool. Found a Vaco screw holding screwdriver. Set of Eklund hex keys. A stubby claw, the Claw brand stubby. Here is a small what do you call it? One of those little tiny clamp a ring pliers for getting those snap rings out. No name on this pocket screwdriver. Here's a clutch drive Proto. Here is a pin punch. It says USA, and it's got oh, I was just looking at that, and it shows maybe a locking mechanism. But I use these, so I'll play with it. Here is an old Stanley chisel, wood handle. Needs to be restored. Patent 1493176, maybe. I don't know if you can read that. This little Phillips, I think, yep, it's a Stanley number 1712. Little Stanley. Here we have a bit holding for Phillips, bit holder with a pocket thing on it, clip, made in the USA. What's this? A Walden 1/2 inch deep well. A Peen's core 5/8. This rule, it's plastic. I didn't see a name on it. Kind of cool. A crane. Looks like a 199. It's number 730. Blades inside. It's got this little deal for opening it. And we've got a couple punches here. USA, Craftsman in a USA. These are nail sets. Another biggie, it's a Bonnie 166 3/4. This goes into my collection of these Bonaloy. So probably in my last video you saw I was missing this one and some other ones. Up next, another Proto. The tip was kind of boogered up, so I did work on it a little bit, but not much. Another SK. Can bear it. You can't really see it very well, but yeah, it is an SK. Tip was boogered up. I had to kind of work on it a little bit. $1 pair of Kreuters. Kreuter. A Mac nut driver. It's 11/32. And we found a spin tight 7/16. I have a growing collection of the spin tight. Bigger thing I found this summer was this Hinsdale number 127. It's a refrigeration toolkit by Hinsdale. So you got the Hinsdale extension, got the little breaker bar T-bar, Hinsdale. I bought this one separate, but I wanted to add to the kit. It's a Hinsdale H6M refrigeration wrench. I don't believe this one goes to this kit, but nonetheless, a bunch of different bits. Adapter bits, and then your refrigeration bits. I'm not quite sure what this is, and I'm probably sure it doesn't belong in this set. It's got that little anybody know what this is? I'm not sure. If you want more details on the refrigeration kit, let me know and I'll do a video on it. Anybody know what this is? Yes, it's a wizard. Insert ding. Has some sockets in here. Craftsman. Not sure what that is. Craftsman. Wizard. Oh. Wizard. Here's a Williams, a Craftsman, Giller, Craftsman, Wizard. Just says Craft, and a John Deere, and a Proto. But I saw it, and obviously we had to do Wizard. Here we got the Stanley T-square, or you guys will correct me anyway, so Stanley, straight line, chalk reel. Here's Walden's True Arc snap ring pliers. Here's a little advertising screwdriver, triangle. Here is a Holdies that somebody turned into a tiny Holdies. A Klein tool, set of Allen keys. Made in USA 2-inch adjustable. A suede brush. A Yankee, Stanley, and a Craftsman. This kit mechanics hole saw. Inch and a half, inch and a quarter, inch and an eighth. Here's a sterret, 1 inch, and a 7/8 kit. We got these 2 bins full of tools. So in those buckets, we'll kind of go through all this stuff. So another pair of ring pliers, snap ring pliers. Here is a Sargent pair of nippers, holders of some sort, probably for blacksmithing. Got this trowel. Some crescent side cutters, crescent Jamestown needle nose, slip joint, and they are plumb. Another pair of Crestaloy. Here is can't really see what it says. I don't know if you can. It's a pair of CT. Another pair of CT. An S-wing that needs to be restored, and even another S-wing, but this one had the little deal on it, so a couple more S-wings to restore. Great neck chisel. Here's a big screwdriver. It's a gray from Gray Tools, Canada, or United States. This one says Gray Canada. Hey, Deno. Here we have this T-handle breaker bar. It's Speedmaster with a 9/16 industrial socket. This needs to be cleaned up. So a couple more screwdrivers, made in USA, black tip. Can't really make out what the name is. And then this beat the hell one. I'm not sure what this is. It's got to be a punch for something you could put in there. If you guys know what this is or what it's for, let me know. Got a Barkalow Buffalo, 1 inch by 5/16. Another big ass screwdriver. Wood handle, but it's kind of boogered up. It says Phillips right here, but I can't make out any more. Drill bit. Coors. Bottle opener. Coors, it's yours. One of these chalk line plumb bob. No name on it. Diamond horseshoe and caulk, or diamond caulk and horseshoe, 10-inch. Yeah, that needs some work. Brake pliers. JSB. We got this square that's number 20 TH, 8-inch. Stanley, USA. That'll be a nice project. Here we have, it says Rocket. So that'll be fun to clean up. Made in USA, 10-inch. No name that I could see. Pipe wrench. Here is another pipe wrench, 10-inch. Forged steel, kind of beat up, but we'll clean it up anyway. A Walworth, 14-inch pipe wrench. Bunch of ball peens. This one has seen a fire. It's been put together with a flat blade screw. Here we have a Craftsman ball peen. Another Craftsman, or another ball peen. No name that I can see. Plum ball peener. Here we have this hammer. I looked this up. I'll have to post an image that I found of what this is. Half of you guys probably already know. Here is a short handle challenge. Not really. I think it's a True Temper. Level. No name. Little torpedo level. Bearing puller, or a bearing fork. Calvan. 190. Chisel. Dasco. And then here's a Stanley. It's missing the end. This is a Lotus brand made in China. I don't know how well you can see that. Lotus brand made in China. Ward's Master with this kind of amber plastic handle. Needs to be tightened up, but that's cool. And finally, a Miller's Falls hacksaw. Well, what'd you think of the tool haul? What was your favorite? What was your least favorite? Any idea on some of those tools I had no idea about? Some of those tools were given to me by people at work. I found some at different flea markets, garage sales, Habitat for Humanity, and some online auctions. So I got some content, I got some projects this fall when it cools down, and I do have heat in the shed, so I'll be out here this winter doing a lot of projects. I'm also going to start working on some steampunk lamps. Yeah, so look forward to that. I got so many projects I want to do, but because it's so hot, been in the hundreds, I really haven't had an opportunity to do much. But anyways, everybody stay safe, and we will catch you later.